why he said long before he ever ran for president that if he did run for president, he would run the Republican Party because they're so stupid they'll believe anything.
He's just saying right there, he wouldn't have done it any differently. Isn't that what that says?
Yeah, he's stupid.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go get some smoke.
Where you want to go?
I don't know anymore.
I'm suspecting Top Shelf will still have the same stuff. Come cigarette? So unless you want to go locally, or if you want to hit the shelf.
You want to try the show?
Mom, do you want to go to the shelf with us, or?
I don't care. I'm gonna stand apart.
Okay.
Metropolitan Transit Authority ridership is down 90